Hello guys, tayo ay mag-unboxing today. So, it's Teacher Appreciation Week. Ito yung resulta sa ating mga regalo. So, sinasadya ko talaga hindi binubuksan para i-unbox natin isa-isa. Dito, kasama kayo. So, let's go! So, first of all, ay dito yung cup. Teaching is a gift that keeps on giving. World Secret Greatest Teacher. So, I have cups. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bagay na tatanggap natin. So, from Oliver, tingnan natin. Doritos, my favorite. As you can see. Coffee. Ano coffee yan? Iced coffee latte. Kit Kat. Chocolate, of course. Little One Bites dessert. Chocolate. Chocolate. So, ito naman ay galing kay Oliver uli. Galing binibigay. Araw-araw binibigyan ng regalo sa ating Teacher's Appreciation. Candle. Kandila. Twilight Jasmine. Smells really good. Para sa mukha, animal face mask. Yan. Ito yung bomb soap. Ilalagay mo sa bathtub. Saka ito mga bagay na ito. Ano ito? Tea Wisdom. So, tea. Ayan pa isa. Cute naman. Yan. Ito pa regalo. Daming regalo. Na-unbox. So, ito ay galing kay Gavin. So, may sulat. Our fingerprints are everywhere on your books, your board, your desk, and chair. We know you take them home each day on your bags and your clothes. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you. That. Socks. We got socks. Oh, I like this. For my hair. Oh. Ano ba to? It is, for my hair. So, parang ganyan siya. For my hair. Another candle. They know that I like candle. Smells so good. Candles. Hair tie. Oh. So, yan na. Marami na tayo. At saka, ito pa. Chocolate. More chocolate. Ito pa. Chocolates. At saka card. Starbucks. And chocolate. Daming chocolate. Chocolate. So, may mga card pa tayo. Kukunin natin yung mga card natin. So, ito pa yung mga card natin. To Flores, thanks for being terrific. So, meron na tayong Starbucks. $10. Another Starbucks. Oliver, $10. Ito pa to. Target from Minimum is from Charlie. Another gift card. From Ruby. Amazon gift card. Ano to? Another gift card from Thank you for Mullen family. Another gift card. Dami kong gift card. Gift card. Oh. Another one. Oh. That's so cute. Very cute. Very, very cute. You can use this gift. Kano kaya to? Mga gift card natin. So, ito yung mga unboxing natin. So, thank you so much for watching. So, happy Teachers Week for all the teachers. Pero mayroon pa. Ito pa. Oh boy. Kalimutan ko pala ito. Mrs. Flores. Daming gift card, ano? Sana nila sila. Chocolate. Strawberry. Sarap. Yes, it's really necessary kung minsan naman ang iba ang feel natin or we're feeling down. Level up natin ang sarili natin by doing something funny or something with sense of humor. Kagaya sa mga ginagawa ko dito. So, take a deep breath in and breath out. Lalo na sa mga bagay na hindi maganda na dumarating mga pagsubok sa buhay. Hindi lang tayo give up but we move on. At saka we appreciate things. Ito naman yung makikita natin ay ang mga regalo na binibigay sa mga estudyante namin sa school. Lots of food, lots of gift. We're showered with things. We shower with food every single day. Ganun ka-appreciative yung mga estudyante.
Iced coffee and hot coffee is in the kitchen.
So, it's really feeling so good and so blessed. Kapag nakikita natin na our hard work is paid off by sharing the blessing, by nakikita natin ang pag-appreciate ng mga magulang or sa ating mga estudyante. So, ito mga bagay na ganito ang I am very encouraged to motivate myself more kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay. Sa pagkikita natin ng ganitong bagay, kahit kunti man lang, napapawaw tayo. So, enjoy this video and continue watching. So to all the teachers out there in this world, happy Teachers Week. Sana na kukuha din niyo ang mga appreciation sa inyong mga ginagawa sa pagtutulong ng mga estudyante ninyo at keep up the good work. Kahit naman hindi tayo na-appreciate minsan, just keep it ongoing. Kasi we are also blessed na may gift tayo na makakatulong sa mga bata to mold their intellectual and self to be a better person one day and to become an adult, successful adult. So, thanks so much for watching. I hope this video bring a great inspiration sa lahat dyan sa nanonood. Hanggang dito na lang at thank you so much. Happy Teacher's Day. Teacher's Day. All the teachers.